everyone. Welcome back to Miss V English channel. My name is Emma.
And my name is David. Hello, viewers. I feel very happy to be here with you today.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us a lot. And do not forget to click the bell so you do not miss our new English lessons.
Yes, please click the bell. Then you can practice English with us every week.
Yes, let me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel lazy? Do you want to study, but you do not start?
Yes, that is true. That is me. Sometimes I want to study English, but my brain says, no, let us watch a movie.
Do you feel shy or tired and you do not know how to continue your work or study?
Yes, sometimes my energy becomes zero when I open my book.
Oh no! If this happens to you, do not worry. Today's lesson is for you. Today we are talking about motivation. We will talk about how to talk about your motivation in simple English.
I love this topic. I always lose my motivation, so I need this lesson.
That's right. Good correction. We say motivation, not motivate, for the noun. We will imagine one full day, and we will see how motivation goes up and down. This will help you speak about your own motivation in English.
Yes, and we will talk about family, goals, dreams, and small problems. It will be like real life.
This sounds great, so stay with us, and at the end, you can talk about your own motivation in clear, simple English.
Are you ready, viewers? Let's start our day of motivation.
Let's imagine this. It is a Monday morning. You and I are in our homes. We both want to study English today.
Yes, it is 7 in the morning. My alarm rings, but I feel very tired.
I look at my phone and I think, I am going to study English for 1 hour today.
I look at my phone and I think, I am going to sleep for 1 more hour today.
David, what is your motivation to wake up today? Why do you want to study English?
My motivation is my future job. I want a better job, so I want good English.
That is a good reason. When you think about your future job, do you feel more energy?
Yes, I feel a little more energy. I think, if I study now, my future will be better.
Oh, wow. Really? For me, my motivation is my students and viewers. I want to help people speak English with confidence.
So your motivation is to help other people. That is very nice.
Exactly. Now, in our story, I get up from my bed and I make a simple plan.
What is your plan?
I say, at 8 o'clock, I am going to drink tea and open my English notes. At 9 o'clock, I am going to practice speaking.
So you use time and a plan for motivation. That is smart.
Yes, I like that. A small, clear plan can give us motivation. What about you in our story? Do you get up?
Oh no, I always do that. In our story, I stay in bed and I look at social media. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Oh no.
Oh no, David, your motivation goes down.
Yes, my motivation is sleeping. Then I remember something.
What do you remember?
I remember my mother. She always says, study now, relax later. She is my big motivation.
That is beautiful. So you think about your mother and then?
Then I say, okay, I am going to get up now. I put my phone on the table and I sit at my desk.
Good. This is nice. Now we are both at our desks. I open my notebook and write my goal for today.
What is your goal today?
My goal is simple. I write, today I will learn 5 new English sentences.
That is a small, clear goal. I like it.
What is your goal?
My goal is I will speak English for 20 minutes. I will not stop.
That is great. We say, I will speak or I am going to speak. Both are good for the future.
Okay. I am going to speak English for 20 minutes. That feels like a promise.
Now, in our story, we start to study. I say some sentences about motivation. I say, I feel motivated when I see my progress. I feel motivated when I remember my dreams.
I listen and repeat. I feel motivated when I see my progress. I feel motivated when I remember my dreams.
Viewers, you can repeat with us too.
After 10 minutes, I feel a little bored. My eyes want to close.
Yes, this happens to many people. What do you do then?
I think maybe I stop now. I can study tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a dangerous word for motivation.
Yes, you were right. When I say I will study tomorrow, sometimes I do not study tomorrow.
So instead, I do something simple. I take a 2-minute break. I stand up, drink water, and move my body.
In our story, I do the same. I walk to the window, I see the sun, I feel a bit better.
Then I say to myself, just 5 more minutes. I am going to study only 5 more minutes.
That is a nice trick. A small time feels easy.
Yes, I like this trick. Many people use this for motivation. A small step is not scary.
So I say, okay, 5 more minutes. I sit again and I speak some sentences.
What sentences do you say?
I say, I want to improve my English. English will help me in my job. I do not want to give up.
Very good. Give up means stop trying. We do not want to give up.
Yes, I do not want to give up. This sentence gives me power.
Now, let's move to the afternoon in our story. It is after lunch.
After lunch, I always feel sleepy in real life.
Me too. So in our story, after lunch, your motivation is low again.
Yes, I sit on the sofa. The TV looks very good. My book looks very boring.
So what can help your motivation now?
Maybe I can remember my dream. My big dream is to travel to many countries.
Ah, travel is a strong motivation.
Oh, wow, really? I like this dream. Yes, I want to go to Canada. I want to speak English with people there.
Oh, wow, really? So you imagine your future trip. You imagine you speak English easily.
Yes, in my mind, I am in Canada. I say, hello, how are you to people.
And when you think this, how do you feel?
I feel excited. I feel light in my body. I want to move.
So your dream gives you energy again.
Yes, my dream gives me new motivation. I turn off the TV in our story.
Good. That is nice. Then you take one more action. Maybe you watch a short English video about Canada.
Yes, I open a short English video. I listen and try to repeat some sentences.
Now you are still working on your dream, but in a fun way.
I like this. It does not feel heavy. It feels nice.
Oh no, I always do that. For me, in the afternoon, my motivation goes down too.
What do you do then, Emma?
I sometimes send a message to a friend. I say, I am going to study for 20 minutes now. Please ask me later if I did it.
So your friend checks you.
Yes, we call this an accountability partner, but that word is long. We can say, a friend who checks my plan.
I like that. A friend who checks my plan. I like that. Maybe my sister can do that for me.
This also helps motivation because we do not want to say to our friend, I did nothing.
Yes, I want to say I did it. Then I feel proud.
Now, in the evening of our story, we stop studying and we think about our day.
We look back and we see, in the morning we were tired, but we started.
In the middle of the day, we felt bored, but we took a short break and we continued.
In the afternoon, we wanted to relax too much, but we remembered our dreams and we worked a little more.
So we had small problems, but we did not give up. That is real motivation.
Yes, motivation is not only a big feeling, it is small actions again and again.
Exactly. Now, at the end of our story, how do you feel about your motivation, David?
I feel more strong. I feel stronger.
Good correction. We say, I feel stronger.
I feel stronger because I see I can continue even when I am tired.
And how can our viewers talk about their motivation after this story?
They can say things like, my motivation is my family, or I feel motivated when I see my progress.
They can also say, my goal is to get a good job. My dream is to travel. I do not want to give up.
Yes, and they can say, I am going to study English today, or I am going to practice for 10 minutes.
Very good. This is how we can talk about motivation in simple English.
Now, we used many useful English words today. Let's review some of them. Our first word is motivation. What does motivation mean, David?
Motivation is the reason you do something. It is the feeling that pushes you to start and continue.
Very good. For example, I can say, my motivation for English is my students.
I can say, my motivation to learn English is my future job.
Viewers, repeat after me. My motivation is my family.
My motivation is my family.
Our next word is goal. What is a goal, David?
A goal is something you want to do in the future. It is like a target.
Nice. For example, my goal is to learn 5 new English sentences today.
My goal is to speak English for 20 minutes every day.
Viewers, you can say, my goal is to improve my English.
My goal is to improve my English.
Our next word is dream. What does dream mean here, David?
Dream is a big wish for your future. It is something you really want in your life.
For example, my dream is to visit many countries and meet my students.
My dream is to live in a different country for 1 year.
Viewers, repeat after me. My dream is to travel the world.
My dream is to travel the world.
Our next phrase is give up. What does give up mean, David?
Give up means to stop trying. When something is hard, you give up if you stop.
Yes, very good. For example, I do not want to give up learning English.
He gave up after 1 week. That means he stopped after 1 week.
Viewers, say this sentence. I will not give up.
I will not give up.
Our next word is plan. What is a plan, David?
A plan is a clear idea of what you are going to do and when you will do it.
Good. For example, my plan is to study English at 8 o'clock every morning.
My plan is to watch 1 English video every day.
Viewers, repeat. My plan is to practice every day.
My plan is to practice every day.
Our next word is energy. What does energy mean, David?
Energy is the power in your body and mind to do things. When you feel tired, you have low energy.
For example, I feel more energy when I sleep well.
I have low energy when I use my phone too much at night.
Viewers, you can say, I feel good energy today.
I feel good energy today.
Our next word is proud. What does proud mean, David?
Proud means you feel happy about what you did. You feel good about yourself.
Yes, this is important. For example, I feel proud when I finish my work.
I feel proud when I speak English with other people.
Viewers, repeat. I feel proud of myself.
I feel proud of myself.
Our next word is progress. What is progress, David?
Progress is when you move forward. You become better step by step.
Good. For example, I can see my progress when I understand more English than last month.
I see progress when I can speak longer sentences.
Viewers, you can say, my progress is slow, but I am moving.
My progress is slow, but I am moving.
Our last phrase is going to for future plans. How do we use going to, David?
We use going to when we have a plan for the future. For example, I am going to study tonight.
Yes, very good. I am going to read an English book. We use am, is, or are, then going to, then the verb.
You can also say, we are going to practice together every week.
Viewers, repeat this. I am going to practice English today.
I am going to practice English today.
Great! I like this list. Let's say all the words and phrases one more time. Motivation, goal, dream, give up, plan, energy, proud, progress, going to.
Motivation, goal, dream, give up, plan, energy, proud, progress, going to.
Yes, we saw how motivation can go up and down in one day. We practiced how to talk about your goals, dreams, and problems.
Today, we talked about motivation. We imagined one full day from morning to night.
We used going to for future plans, like, I am going to study tonight. We also used simple past words like saw and felt.
I feel more motivated now. I feel ready to talk about my own motivation in English.
Oh, wow! I am happy to hear that. Dear viewers, remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need to communicate.
Yes, small, simple sentences are okay. You are learning.
Every time you practice, your English becomes a little stronger. Be proud of yourself. You are doing something amazing.
You are doing more than many people. You are learning a new language. That is really special.
Now it is time for our question of the day.
I love this part. I am ready.
Today's question is, what is your biggest motivation in life? You can use this pattern. My motivation is, then you say your reason. For example, my motivation is my family because I want to help them.
I will give my answer. My motivation is my future. I want a better job, so I work hard now.
Nice. I like that answer. My answer is, my motivation is my students and viewers. I want to help you speak English with confidence.
Viewers, now it is your turn. Please write 1 or 2 simple sentences in the comments.
You can write, my motivation is, and then your reason. For example, my motivation is my children because I want a good life for them.
Yes, or my motivation is my dream to travel.
We read your comments. They help us make better videos for you on MV English channel.
So please comment, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And if you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe to MV English channel and click the bell icon so you get all our new lessons.
We post new conversations every week. Small, regular practice makes your English strong.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing and keep being curious. We believe in you. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye, Emma.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone. Take care.